Hello grade 3, how are you doing? I hope everything is fine and okay. Today I'm kind of sad, but at the same time I'm happy for you because it's your last lesson for this year, your grade 3. So yeah, today's chapter 13, lesson 5, add and subtract decimals. So please open your page 424. So how are we gonna add and how are we gonna subtract decimals? This is how what we're gonna learn today. Basically, it's super easy, super fun here. They wrote for you the steps and how we start from the ones, then the tens, and then the hundreds. So here they said, align the decimal points. So we should have the points under each other first. While writing your numbers, the points should be under each other, okay? Like this. And then add the hundreds. You're gonna start from the hundreds and add them, and then you're gonna add the tens, and then you're gonna add the ones, and that's it. Remember, write the decimal point. You really need to write the decimal points. Basically here, it's super easy because it's like the normal addition and like the normal subtraction. Only you have to make sure of the decimal point that it is in its place, in its order. Same thing with the subtraction. I will do this with you right now. So what I will do, I will answer those questions. I will choose some questions from here. I'm going to answer them and then I'm going to let you do the others by your own. So I will choose question number 1 and then I will choose, this is a plus, and I will choose question number 6 and I will choose, this is because we have 3 here, question 11. So those are the ones that I will choose for the addition. And then for the subtraction again, they didn't give you 3? No. So let's choose for the subtraction again the first 3 in here. So I'm going to choose this and this and this, okay? I'm going to answer those with you and I will show you at the same time how we do this. So let's start with question number 1. For question number 1, what they said? They said 0.2 plus 0.5. See how I will write it? The digit point under the digit point. 0.5. I will do my normal addition. We start here. Okay. We're gonna start from the end. Okay, but here we're gonna call that this is our tens. You remember? Usually in the normal addition, for example, if I have 27 plus 0.5, we're gonna start, here we have our, like, we say this is our ones and this is our tens. Here, no, this is our ones and this is our tens. This is the difference, but it's the same thing. We're gonna start from the same side, okay? Only the name that changed. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Point plus point, actually we're only gonna put it, and then 0 plus 0 is 0. So my answer is 0.7. Okay, that's it, 0.7, sorry. So that's it, it's 7 tenths. Let's do question number 6. We have 1.6 plus 3.8. What we will do, we're gonna add the 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6, remember, you put the big number in your mind, you count until you reach the, like you put the big number in your mind and you count until you reach the other number in your finger, which is the 6. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we're gonna write 4 down here. Where are we gonna put the 1? Of course not with the point. We're gonna put it in our other number in here. Okay, now 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So it's normally like we do it. You only should be careful not to forget your points. That's it. You have, like, it's the same thing that we used to do. You're only gonna put the points. Okay, number 11, they said 4.3 plus 2.6 plus 8.8. As you can see, the point should be under each other. Now what we're gonna do, oops, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 8 plus 6, already did this here, is 14, plus 3, so 4 in your mind and 3 in your hand. 14, after 14, 15, 16, 17. So you're gonna write your 7 in here, and your 1, you're gonna put it in here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And 7 plus 8 is gonna be 15. Okay, I'm not gonna forget my point and how I will write the 15. The 5 here and the 1, should I put it here? No, basically, I will write it normally as we do. So the answer here is 15.7. Now, I will pass to the subtraction. I will do question 16. They said 0.8 minus 0.5. I'm writing kind of weird because I'm looking from the camera. I'm not looking directly to the paper, so excuse that as well. So what we're gonna do here, 8 minus, don't forget it's minus not plus now. So 8 minus 5 is gonna be 3. The point we're gonna put it, we're not gonna omit it, and the 0 is there. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we're question 21. Let's do this. What they gave us, 4.55 minus 3.05. Okay, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Our dot, we put it, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. Super easy, isn't it? Yes. Now we will do our question 26. They said 700 is 7, okay? Minus 2.69. Easy. So what we're gonna do, we will do 0 minus 9. We can't, so we're gonna borrow. You remember, for this reason I chose those different exercises, so you know that it's basically the same thing, like plus and like the normal addition and subtraction. So we're gonna do is we're gonna borrow from here a 1, and this one should borrow from here. So this one gonna be 6 because this gonna be 10, and then we're gonna borrow from here. So this is the subtraction that I used to do. So we're gonna borrow from here, it's gonna become 9, and here is gonna become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 6, okay, 9 minus 6 is 3. And then you're gonna have your point in its place, and then your 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, if you forgot that, you should only go back to your addition and subtraction. You're gonna find it in your book, in your subtraction actually, and you know how we deal. So because we have zeros, 2 zeros, we can't borrow from here. We went here, we borrowed from here first, and then this one could borrow from this one, and like this we have our steps basically. So that's it for today's final lesson. I hope that it's very easy and fun for you. I will show you the answers. You can screen them as I said. Remember, grade 3, I love you so much. It was like such a pleasure teaching you and having you as my student. I love you so much. I'm gonna miss you like a lot. Thank you for being very nice, very kind, very polite, and very smart. I wish you all the best in your life. And yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna talk more because otherwise I'm gonna cry. I miss you really, and I hope that everything gonna be fine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice journey in this life.